Ever find yourself squinting at tiny text on your phone screen? Don't worry, you don't need new glasses. Your Z Flip 6 has a powerful built-in zoom tool that most people don't even know exists. Let's unlock it. Here's how to set up magnification in just a few taps. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. 5. Tap Advanced Settings. 6. Select Accessibility button. 7. Tap Select Actions. 8. Check the box next to Magnification. Once activated, you can zoom in on any part of the screen, whether you're reading a web page, navigating apps, or checking text messages. Just triple tap or use the Accessibility button to instantly magnify the screen. You can also pan and zoom around smoothly. It's perfect for anyone who wants to reduce eye strain or simply see things more clearly without changing the entire display size permanently. Magnification is one of those small features that makes a big difference, especially if your eyes aren't what they used to be. Try it out, and you'll wonder how you ever use your phone without it. Underscore if this helped. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hidden features, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more accessibility tips on Samsung devices.